A plumber came to me 2 years behind with a shoebox of receipts. But he wasn't broke, he just couldn't see his money. In this video, I show you exactly what I found when we dug in. The profit that he didn't know he had, the thousands in missed deductions, and the customers that were quietly costing him money. The story could be yours, and here's how to fix it. First, let me invite you to download a free Profitability Blueprint at hubbardbookkeeping.org. I'm Bill Hubbard, and cleaning up books like this is what I do. Names and details changed here, but the mess is real and it's typical. So 2 years behind. Personal and business money are run through one account. No idea which jobs made money and which ones lost it. He came in stressed, figuring the books would confirm his worst fear, that he'd been working himself to death for nothing. What I found, first thing I found was he was profitable. He just couldn't see it because of the busy business and personal were all being tangled together into one account instead of separated out. If you can't see your money, you'll assume the worst, and the stress alone will make the price scared. Second, thousands in deductions that he never claimed, like tools that he bought, mileage that he drove, part of his phone, supplies paid in cash, plenty others. Money he'd already spent, and he just couldn't take off his taxes. Just gone because it was never recorded. Sloppy books don't just confuse you, they overpay the IRS. The third, 2 recurring customers were quietly costing him money. Once he could finally see job by job, 2 good regulars were underpriced to the point that he lost money every time he showed up or they called. Lessons 3. Without clean books, you can't tell a good customer from one that's bleeding you. We got him current, separated everything, and for the first time, he could price with confidence instead of fear. Same plumber, same work. He's got his eyes back. They were clear. And any of this sounds like you or your situation? That's the exact work I do. No judgment about how far behind you are. I've seen it all. Links below if you want help. You're probably doing better than your shoebox is telling you. Let's prove it. Make it and keep it. I'm Bill Hubbard. See you the next time.